AutoCAD 2010 has an enhanced purge command. What this allows you to do is it allows you to purge zero-length objects on an AutoCAD drawing. Now when you first look at this drawing, you will think that there is nothing in this drawing at all. That is actually wrong. There are text styles, blocks, dimension styles, multi-leader styles. These can all be in a drawing, but they might not have been used to actually place any objects on the drawing. Also as well, you'll notice if you look at your layer pull down here, you'll see there's a layer called Objects. It's yellow and we have a white background. What that means is that the yellow objects might not show up as well as a red object, for example. So let's have a look at this drawing. Let's have a look at a zero-length object. If I draw a line and click from here to here and press enter, there's a line there. If I click on that line, I'll get 3 grips, 2 endpoints and 1 midpoint. If I click on the right hand grip and drag it to the left hand grip, I now have a zero-length object. So what I have to do there is to actually see that object. If I hit escape now, it's a dot, and as you can see it's very difficult to see. If I do a crossing window selection though, I can pick it up like so, and I can delete it, which is actually very easy to do using the crossing window. But let's say I had a dot that's yellow and on the objects layer, and I can't see it on this white background. I do know that there's an object here. It's up in the top left corner. So if I now do a crossing selection here, there is my object there. As you can see, it's highlighted and it's showing me that it's on that yellow objects layer. Now I'm not just going to delete it, I'm going to leave it there. It's a zero-length line. I'm going to use the Purge command to remove it from the drawing. So I go up to the application menu here, and what I do is I go to Drawing Utilities and to Purge. This brings up the Purge dialog box. Now remember, there are 2 options at the top of the dialog box. View items you can purge, view items you cannot purge. I want to be in view items you can purge. And I'm going to expand out each of these little plus signs. And as you can see, I have a telephone block that hasn't been used in the drawing. I want to purge that out. So I'm going to hit Purge, like so. I'll be prompted, do I want to purge the block telephone? Purge this item? Yes, please. You'll see that blocks now can't be expanded anymore. There's a dimension style that's not being used. As you can see, new dim style. Again, I'm going to click on the dim style, click on Purge, purge the item, and it's gone. Now the important one is the Layers option here. That's my objects layer, that yellow layer. What I'm going to do here is confirm each item to be purged, and purge any nested items. That would be with blocks, a block within a block, for example. But notice Purge zero-length geometry and empty text objects has greyed out. That's because AutoCAD knows that there is a zero-length object on that layer. So as soon as I purge that, it lets me do it without any questions asked. And it's now gone. I can now close the Purge dialog box knowing that that object up here has gone. I did the crossing window selection there, it's gone. If I look in the layer pull down, there's only the 0 default layer there now. So as you can see, the Purge command is useful, it tidies up your drawings, and with the zero-length geometry option now, it's much quicker and much more effective.